Hi, my name is Fazlur Rahman and we will discuss what is the join clauses in the SQL and how can we use it in a Google BigQuery. For example, if you have the two table, first is this main table and the second it is the this table. So how can you join these table columns in your report or the rows in your table in your report? For example, if you have the two column, one column is one table one and the other column is present in the table which are the matching table which are the matching column, and you want to join it and you want to see the result in your report. So how can you join this? For example, this is the column add campaign, so it contains the values. So the in the other column this is the add campaign, so these contain the same values which are present in this column on the table A. So how can we join these columns and to select our matching rows which are present in the table A or the table B? So how can we do it? So there's a three type of the join clauses. One is the inner clause, the second is the left join, and the fourth is the full join. So how can we use and apply it? So you have to come on the Google BigQuery and you have to select the SQL query. So now you have to write the select. Okay, now you have to give you now you have to tell them which, because after the select we have to select the column. Now you have to tell them from which table you are selecting this column. For example, then you have to give them the name A B C D to your specific table. For example, this July marketing table, I am just giving the name A. Okay, this is table A. So I would put the full stop and would select this column add campaign. Okay, add campaign and give them the name as a campaign I need. Okay, no, I sorry, have to put the comma. No, you have to my second column I'm selecting from the table A, because I'm main table July marketing which I give them the table A. So this column I want to select the revenue, so I have to put A and then I have to put the revenue. You can name them your table any alphabet A B C D what you need. No, I because I am selecting from the table B column which is the ad campaign, which would be the planned budget. So now I am giving to the my second table would be the B. Okay, so B, so planned budget is the column name. Okay, now you have to tell them what is your main table is present. So this is my main table, in which data set is present and what is your table name. So you have to click, and because this is the only one data set, so this is the our data set. So it is name is marketing series and our table name is July marketing data. Okay, so we have to come and give the name. Marketing series is our data set name. Okay, then you have to put the full stop and write your table name July marketing data. Okay, now because you mentioned that this is the A table, now you have to officially name is at A. Okay, now I give them officially name table 1 as the A. So now because I want, so what is my condition? I just want that from table this column from the table A, so these are the values are present, and in the table B from this column the table A. So I just need the matching values from add campaign. This is the column of the table B, and the add campaign this is the column of table A. So I just want to the matching values from these column from two different tables. So therefore I would use the inner join. Okay, inner join basically would select only the matching value from these two columns from different table. So sorry, inner join would be okay. Now you have to tell them the other table, the other table pathway. So because I just have the only one data set name, so therefore the data set would be the same marketing series, and put the full stop and give them your table name. So the table name is campaign budget. Our second table name is campaign budget. Okay, you have to budget. Okay, now you have to, okay, there is some wrong misspelling. Spelling, you just put marketing, July marketing, sorry, I just put the date. It is the data. Okay, now we have to give them the officially name as a B because we mentioned that we pick the this column from the B. Now you have to give them the B. Okay, now still they are showing the error marketing July marketing data. So there is some misspelling. Marketing series July. So let me there's a wrong spelling are present. Marketing. Okay. Now you have to tell them which column you want to match. From the table A, I want to match this column. You have to put the name. For this, you have to use the on and put, because I am selecting this column from the table A, put the dot, put the full stop and write this column name add campaign. Add campaign. Okay, put the equal because we want to match the from the table B, which column I want to match from the table B. So I want to match this add campaign. So now you have to put the full stop, write add campaign. Okay, so now our query is ready to run. Now you have to put on the run. Now you will see what is our result. So basically, so yeah, our result has been generated. You will see the result. Basically, now the from the table one, table from the table A, all the values which are matching from the table B add campaign column are present here. So they selected only the matching values which are present on both the columns of the both the table. Okay, you I should, so for when you use the inner join, then the only the matching values will be shown in your result. So now for the for the confirmation, I would change. So I would want to show you, for example, I choose the um, budget owner. Okay, budget owner table. So you will see now from the table B, I just budget owner. Now you will see that there is no matching values are present in this budget owner because these are the names, and because we selected this way add campaign, there is a add campaign name, so there is a no matching and we are using the inner join. Now in the result you will see that there is a no. Now we will see what happened when there is no matching rows are present. So you can see that there is no display data because there is no matching values are from the table A column and from table B column, then they will show no data display. Okay, now we would confirm that by when you use the inner join, then the result would be show only the matching values from both the columns. Now we are going to use the left join. Okay, what mean the left join? So left join. Okay, now in the left join, you have to understand that In the left join, for example, I selected this column add campaign. In the left join result, all the rows will be present. All the rows will be present in the result. But if some rows are matching in the second table, from because we selected this, if some rows will be some values are matching from the table, then this will be picked. If no one is matching from the table B, there is a no value will be selected. So this would be proved in our result. So just I will run. So because there is a no values are present, only the now you can see that in result only from table A values are present. There is a no values are selected from the table B because there was no matching. So if there was one matching value present, then there would be shown. Then you can see that in the planned budget, because we selected from the column B, it is null, completely null, because there is a no matching values are present. So I think you would understand that what is the left join. In the left join, all our in the left join, you selected from the main table, all the rows will be selected from the table, all the row will be present. But if the sum values are matching in with the table B, then these values are matching. If there is a no values are matching, then there is a no values or the no rows will be present from the table B. Okay, I think you clearly understand your left join. So for the full join, if you apply the full join, then if you apply the full join, then both the row from the add campaign column, all the rows will be present. From the budget owner column, all the rows will be present, except whatever they are matching or not matching, it does not depend. So you will see the run. So you will see that from the table A column 8 campaign, all the rows will be present. From the table B column budget order, all the rows will be present. So we will see our result. You will see that these are the column A rows. Okay, from till now you will see that all the rows are present from the table B. Okay, these are the table B. So these are selected from four rows are selected from the table B, and the 40 rows selected from the A, because they are does not matching. Therefore they are showing just because they are not, but because the full join run to show the both the column row, so there's no dependency on the matching on the not matching. So I think you clearly understand what is the full join, inner join, and the left join. So this is from me. Thank you so much.